Welcome students in my YouTube channel which is Biology by Mahesh sir. Today we will take CBSE NCERT 10 Science Chemistry chapter which is Chemical Reaction and then Equation. In last video we have to discussed about the biology chapter which is nutrition, and in nutrition we have to discuss about the definition of nutrition and then photosynthesis. Now in this class we will discuss about the chemistry chapter first, which is chemical reaction and then equation. So first of all we have to discuss the changes in environment. How many changes are present in environment? Two type of changes present in environment. First is the physical changes and second is chemical changes. Clear? Physical changes means when the new substance is formed without the change in chemical properties. That means the type of changes in which the new substance is formed without the change in a chemical nature or chemical property of main substance, that time these type of changes is called physical changes. We can take example of physical changes, that ice convert into water and then water convert into the ice. It is a very common type of physical changes. So in these changes we can observe that when ice is melt and convert into the water, so property of ice and property of water, chemical property, both same. When the water freezes into the ice, that time the property of water and ice is same. So it is called physical changes. So no new or especially or fixed substances formation takes place. Here the temporary substances takes place. New substances form, but it is temporary. So only temporary substance formed in the physical changes. Now we take the chemical changes. Now in chemical changes, the new substance is formed. New substance is formed with change in chemical property. With change in chemical properties. So chemical changes means the changes in which the two substances react or change into the new or formation of the new substance in which the new substance possesses the chemical property new type, just change from their substance. So that time it is called chemical changes. So chemical changes we can say the photosynthesis reaction, we can say the respiration reaction. Clear? So these all are the chemical changes. So first physical changes and then chemical changes. Now we take the example of physical and chemical changes in this manner. So first, the physical changes. First example, water convert into ice, ice convert into water. Now water when warm convert into vapor. So these all are the physical changes, one example. Now second example we can take sublimation of iodine. Sublimation of iodine, that time that is the example of physical changes. Third, lightning of bulb. Lighting of bulb. In bulb the tungsten filament present which illuminate and provide the light. That time it is a physical changes. When we switch off the bulb, that time it immediately turn off the light. So it is also the physical changes. So here we can observe that when water convert into ice, sorry, that time when we kept ice in a normal temperature, it convert into water. So no new substance form in 3 examples. So that time it is called physical changes. So it is the first type of changes in our daily life. Now we take the chemical changes. Examples of chemical changes. First we take the very important common example, which is photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and then water, in the presence of ATP, it produces glucose. Clear? So in this process, carbon dioxide and water in the presence of ATP, it produces a new type of substances. Clear? So immediately we are unable to convert the glucose into the carbon dioxide in water. That time it is called chemical changes. So new substance formed. Glucose have the different property from carbon dioxide and water. So that time the changes is chemical changes. Second example, which is just inverted, which is respiration. Now in respiration, just invert. Glucose convert into carbon dioxide, water and then ATP. So it is also the chemical reaction. These are the very common example of chemical changes. Now third example, the changes of milk turning sour. Clear? These are the third example of chemical changes. So all the chemical changes, all the equation, all the process in which the new substance is formed with the change in a chemical property, that time it is called chemical changes. We are unable to obtain the main product from the obtaining product. So that time it is called chemical changes. So two topic, physical changes and then chemical changes. Now we take our main topic. When chemical changes takes place, that time it is necessary that chemical reaction takes place. Clear? So all the chemical changes express into the chemical reaction. Into the chemical reaction. Clear? And chemical reaction, when it expressed symbolically or symbolically, that time it is called chemical equation. So here I explain two definitions. First is chemical reaction. So every chemical changes is expressed in this form, which is called chemical reaction. It is the first definition. Now second definition, the process by which in which two substance or two elements join and then convert into the new product, it is called chemical reaction. So chemical reaction means the process by which two element, two substance, two compound join and produce a new type of product. That time it is called chemical reaction takes place. Clear? When we express the chemical reaction into symbolic form, we can take example of photosynthesis reaction, in which carbon dioxide and then water in the presence of ATP, it produces glucose, or we can write the glucose C6H12O6. So here the representation of chemical equation in photosynthesis is called chemical equation. When we write these same reaction or same chemical changes only in chemical reaction form, that time we write that carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of ATP, it produces glucose. So here the only chemical reaction explanation or expression. Clear? So you can easily differentiate between the chemical changes, chemical reaction and then chemical equations. So here the chemical reaction, which explain only that which substance react and which product is produced. But when we express this chemical reaction into the symbolic form, that time we obtain these type of reaction, it is called chemical equation. Clear? So these are the four definitions which related to the this first term. Now we take the ray diagram which related to the chemical reaction types. So chemical reaction are 5 types. First is the combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction and redox reaction. So all 5 type of reaction takes place. First is the combination reaction in which the two substances combine. So it is combination reaction. Decomposition means in which the compound is split into the two element or two substance. Displacement means the functional group move from the one compound to another compound. It is a displacement reaction. Double displacement means the one functional group move from one compound to another compound and vice versa. So that time it is called double displacement. And third is the redox reaction in which two type of reaction takes place. First is oxidation and second is reduction. So it is a 5 different type of chemical reaction. So we will discuss the definition of these all 5 different type of reaction with many examples, and also we will discuss about the balancing the chemical equation in next video. So thank you for watching my class. If you can understand easily, so you can please share and subscribe this video. Thank you.